In this lesson, you are going to become a master of verb to feel in Spanish present tense. The verb to feel in Spanish is
sentir,
and this verb is a regular Spanish verb that finishes in IR. We taught you these regular verbs in previous videos. If you didn't watch it, you can find a link in the description. Let's start with a quick view of the grammar. I feel.
yo siento,
You feel.
tú sientes,
He, she feels.
él, ella siente,
We feel.
nosotros sentimos,
You feel.
vosotros sentís,
They feel.
ellos, ellas sienten.
As you see, this verb has the same endings or conjugations as the regular verbs. So let's start with the examples and vocabulary. I feel the cold.
Siento el frío.
Do you feel the temperature?
¿Sientes la temperatura?
He doesn't feel anything.
No siente nada.
We feel hungry all the time.
Nos sentimos hambrientos todo el tiempo.
How do you feel now?
¿Cómo te sientes ahora?
She feels old.
Se siente vieja.
If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.